Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to do FaceTime on Android. Here are the simple steps to use FaceTime on Android. Yes, it works, but only by joining a link created by an iPhone user. First is ask an iPhone user to start a call. FaceTime can't be started on Android. You can only join a link from someone with an iPhone. So now, have the iPhone user open FaceTime. They open the FaceTime app on their device. Then, tap the Create link. The iPhone user taps this button inside FaceTime. Let them choose how to share the link. They can send it via Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, email, etc. Wait for the FaceTime link. On Android, you'll receive something like FaceTimeApple.com. Tap the link on your Android phone. It will open your web browser. Enter your name. Type a name so the host can recognize you. Tap Continue. This prepares your FaceTime connection. Allow browser permissions. Tap Allow when asked to use your camera and microphone. Tap Join. You'll wait in the lobby until the iPhone user lets you in. Wait for the host to approve. The iPhone user must tap Accept for you to join. Start talking and video chatting. You can now see and talk to each other and the browser. Use controls during the call. Turn camera on or off. Mute or unmute. Switch between front or rear camera. Leave the call. Tap Leave when you're done. This ends the FaceTime session from your Android browser. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.